Should be wrapping up, maybe if there's one last one.
One last awesome question, and then we'll have a book signing where I'm happy to talk. Okay, lead activist, awesome person.
Hi, Laura Bryan, Childhood Lead Action Project. For those of you who don't know us, we are a nonprofit based here in Providence. Our mission is to eliminate childhood lead poisoning in Rhode Island. We've been working hard on that since 1990. Since before we were even founded in 1992. We were founded by parents whose kids were lead poisoned, health professionals, community activists who felt that their own families and their neighbors were not getting the help they deserved, and have been fighting to turn that around. So many of you that I see have been part of that, either officially or in other wonderful ways. Thank you. Those of you who are not part of that yet and would like to be, come see me at the table out there. Question.
Get involved. So before Flint, people thought lead, we took care of lead. It was a problem of yesterday. It is a problem of today, and it's a problem of tomorrow. And really, I can't not say that we have to thank Rhode Island, because Rhode Island really has led the nation in terms of lead efforts, but also lead accountability. One of the lawsuits against the lead industry, which was unsuccessful, was led here by Rhode Island. And actually last year, for the first time in California, there was a successful lawsuit against the lead industry. So Rhode Island has really always kind of been leading the nation.
Thank you so much for speaking so clearly about how lead is driven both by environmental issues, the toxins that are around us, but then the other social issues that control the way we can interact with that. Like education is where you start, but if I don't have the money to fix my home, it doesn't matter how much I know about how toxic it is. Some of my proudest moments as an activist, just as a person, have been when we really recognized that, and we were joined like hip to hip with other people who were working on other examples of problems like that, and in the face of scarce resources, and said, we are not going to let the opposition with power use a divide and conquer strategy by saying like, oh, that's great, we'll help you with lead, but we won't help you with homelessness, or we can help you with homelessness, but we won't help you with lead. For example, some of my worst moments as an activist and just as a person have been when those divide and conquer strategies succeeded. Can you say anything about that?
Absolutely, and we also have examples throughout history in the lead world, and it's resurgent now too, but it's like the lead paint people against the lead soil people against the lead and water people. Like, oh no, the paint is the biggest issue, do not give any money to the water people. No, the water is the biggest issue, it's the paint. It's all bad, it's all bad. They're all issues. We cannot divide and conquer, because then the very minimal resources that we already have get spread even further. So the key is coming together and working together on all of these issues, and it sounds like you guys are already doing that here, but it's finding those unexpected allies, be in labor or education or in the criminal justice world or wherever, that are doing the same work that you're doing. Kudos to you. Thank you guys. I look forward to seeing many of you.